write a good script. I mean, I can't write everything. I'm always looking for good scripts, and to me, that's a good way to make it a win-win for everybody. If I see that what we're talking about and what we're doing with the class and the assignments and everything that we're doing, and I see that they're really getting it and applying it, that's a big thing for me. It makes me happy. And if they're going to intern on one of my films, as a student intern on one of my films, they can make me happy by really working hard and being responsible and punctual and making the most of the opportunity. And even if it's not one of my films and it's a film of an associate of mine, taking the same approach.